So we have our IR sensor here, a sharp IR sensor here, which has a range of 18 to 80 centimeters with a 3-pin connector. Red is for voltage, VCC, black is for ground, and white is for the signal. As you can see at the other end, when it comes, there is no pin here to connect to the board, to the orangutan board, which we have. So we need a crimp pins so that we can connect these and use the IR sensor on our orangutan board. To make this, I'm gonna use the crimping tool. So first, I'm gonna take a wire stripper and strip the wire off just about there. So it's about less than half a centimeter. So once I have my insulation removed from the wire, I'm gonna take the crimp pin so as you can observe, the crimp pin has 3 rows here, in the outer row, the middle row, and the inner row. The inner row is already closed and there are 2 rows which are open. So now, to crimp this wire into this crimp pin, I'm going to place the wire in such a way that the non-insulated part of the wire goes into the middle row, just like that, and the insulated part falls on the outer row of the crimp pin. So to get started, I'm gonna bend this extrusions here so that the wire stays there when I'm crimping it. So after getting started like this, I'm gonna take the crimp tool, the crimper, which is in our case a SN28B, and I'm gonna place it at the center row here. You can see there's a platform there to place the wire, and when you press it, it crushes the wire there. So I'm gonna place that right in there. Make sure the 2 rows where the insulated and the non-insulated part of the wire falls on the platform. And I'm gonna slowly crush it. So you need to go until the tool releases itself. You can see it releases after a certain point. So after that, if you find it's not yet finished, you can use it and give it a finishing touch. So this is how you insert the crimping to your wire. So let me do to the other wire now. On the wires, I'm gonna take the crimping house. In this case, it's 1 cross 3, so it's 1 row and 3 column. And I'm gonna take the crimping insert it in. So as you push it in, you can see there's a lock system here at the center of the crimping house, and once you push it in, you can hear it getting locked in the house. So that's locked there. So I'm gonna do the same to the other 2 wires now. So once we have done that, it looks something like this. So make sure that the red wire goes at the center, and the black and the white wire, you can place it in either places, because in the orangutan board which we are going to use these sensors on, we have our VCC at the center row. So make sure that you put the red wire to the center row. This is a safety design so that you don't interchange the ground and VCC and blow off the sensors. So once that's connected, I'm gonna put this back here, and we have our IR sensors ready to use.